Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video I will be sharing my experience using this get paid to site that goes by the name of Toluna Influencers. And I've also been a member of this panel for quite a while now, and this get paid to site turned out to be one of my favorite survey panel. I've also been paid by this survey platform multiple times. Here's a screenshot of my latest payment I received from Toluna Influencers. Here's what I will do. I will leave the link of this money-making site down in the description box down below. Not only you'll be directed to their landing page, you'll also get a welcome bonus when use the link down in the description. Let me just quickly dive into this GPT site. So here's how the Toluna Influencers landing page looks like. Toluna Influencers has been partnered with some of biggest brand companies. Not only that, it has also been around for quite a while now. The sign-up process is very easy and straightforward. Click register if you're new to this site, and after that you'll be directed to another page where you need to fill in your personal information and select a gender. Once you have signed up, you will get a confirmation email. Make sure you open it and tab the link in the email to confirm your account. Once this is done, you can start participating in surveys. The registration is free, guys. You don't need to pay anything. If any money-making site or app asks you to pay money, just know that is not legit. That now you're registered, you'll be immediately directed to the site's dashboard. This how it looks like. So now what is Toluna Influencers? Toluna Influencers is a market research company based in Connecticut. It was invented back in 2000 and has been a leading survey provider for quite a while now. Toluna works with companies across a variety of industries to conduct online surveys. What makes this panel stand out from its competitors is that they also conduct their own surveys. They're not only working with other market research third-party panels. This means your survey-taking experience can be different. However, your earning rate will vary depending on factors like your country and demographics profile. This panel offers a plenty of different ways you can maximize your earnings, but online paid surveys are the main earning method. There is a good number of surveys, and mostly you will have access to at least 3 to 10 a week. Exactly how many surveys you will get will differ a lot from the country that you are located in. Just like any survey platform, you will be disqualified in some of the surveys, not because your answers were wrong. That means you're not the person they're looking for. That doesn't mean you should give up. If there are other surveys available in their panel, you should keep on trying until you find a survey that matches your demographic profile. What Toluna Influencers usually does, they alert you whenever there is a new survey available via an email. The surveys on Toluna do pay pretty well when it comes to the time spent compared to other get paid to sites. It also depends on the country you are located in how well they pay. Other ways you can earn points on this site is by participating in polls, daily Toluna wheel and more. Although they're not paying as much as surveys, you can earn some extra points on the way. When you click the rewards tab, you will see different payments options depending on the country you located in that this site has to offer. This include different types of gift cards, as well as the option to cash out via PayPal. You need at least 25,000 points to claim the cheapest gift card. If you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video.